The University of Guelph is involved in many sustainability initiatives and is constantly engaged in finding ways in which we as a community can help reduce our negative impacts on our land, air, water, and food. At U of G, we have many programs in place that focus on reducing energy and water consumption, promoting waste diversion, and providing locally sourced food to our students. This video will highlight these programs to give you a sense of what the school is currently doing and where we see ourselves in the future. First, let's explore the topic of reducing our energy consumption. Renewable energy is electricity that is derived from a source that is not depleted when it's used, such as wind or solar power. Two of our research facilities use both photovoltaic panels to generate on-site electricity and use a solar water heating system. Also, in 2005, Guelph students voted for the historic on-campus restaurant The Bull Ring to purchase their energy from Bullfrog Power. The Bull Ring is now powered by 100% wind power. In addition to using renewables, Guelph has undergone several retrofit projects to upgrade the energy efficiency of our existing buildings. The ECGC and Green Griffin Initiative are multi-stakeholder groups who work to improve energy conservation at the university. Students pay $10 a semester in tuition to fund these groups, and the university matches every dollar. These groups advocate for retrofits such as lighting and HVAC improvements, and also using heat recovery and light harvesting techniques. Current retrofits at U of G save nearly 7 million kilowatt hours per year. Now let's talk about how the university is using water. The campus has 25 refillable water stations that you can use to fill your reusable water bottles. We also have a gray water system in the Richards and Thornborough buildings that pump to 23 and 22 toilets respectively. Steam that comes from the boilers on campus heats our water, and we also have chillers that cool the water. The university is also in development of a big tank that, when finished, will cool water at night and use that water during peak hours in the summer months for our air conditioning systems. In total, water conservation initiatives at the University of Guelph have saved the equivalent of about 32,000 years of individual consumption. In 2004, the average person used 329 liters of water per day, which means the campus has saved about 4 billion liters of water. That equals the total amount the United States drinks in 10 days. Now for waste management. The university participates in composting in 3 ways: residences, departmental areas, and coffee to compost. There are currently 33 locations across campus which are easily accessible to students and staff. Composting diverts waste from the landfill and allows for nutrients found in the organic matter to return back into the soil. The university currently diverts 45% of our waste from the landfill and has a future goal of 60%, and this is largely due to our recycling programs. There are 2 logics behind recycling: avoiding landfills and preserving resources. Landfills are large emitters of greenhouse gases such as methane, are a big issue when it comes to land use planning, and are a waste of resources that could otherwise be reused or recycled. That's why, at the University of Guelph, we do our best to reduce the volume of waste going to the landfill, reuse through the I Am Reusable campaign, and recycle the heck out of our waste. Lastly, we will discuss local food sourcing. Guelph was named one of the Greenbelt's 10 local food champions, and this can largely be attributed to the 100 Mile Grill found in Creelman Hall. This restaurant strictly uses locally sourced foods, which means that they rely on local companies and farmers to supply the delicious produce, meat, and dairy that are the ingredients in each meal. The 100 Miles Grill's slogan is, "Farmer's Gate to Campus Plate." Using locally sourced foods reduces our CO2 emissions by shortening the distance it has to be transported, and in addition, supports the local economy. In the future, we hope that the University of Guelph continues making a better campus by further reducing our energy and water consumption, improving on our waste management practices, and continuing to provide fresh local food to our campus.